In late August, we headed down to Maruya's Surf Air Speedway, just 2 hours from Sydney, for the 2007 South Coast Nationals. For those of you that have never been, the weekend is made up of a street cruise, show and shine, driving events, and of course, burnouts. The show played host to a surprising amount of our ex-feature cars, including Carl Simmons' black VP Ute from the cover of issue 130, Sean Sanders' awesome VK from issue 97, Craig Campbell's blown VK found in issue 126, and a plethora of other jaw-dropping vehicles. Maruya's main street saw proceedings kick off with a cruise through the otherwise quiet town. With the route taking us to the Speedway, this was a chance to get all the cool Commodores out cruising the streets before the real action begins. The show and shine competition was hotly contested, with cars like Chev 377 and Carl's black Ute proudly on display. Carl's Ute took home 4 trophies, including Top Ute Pickup and Top 5 Street. Sean's VK scored him a place in the top 10, as well as Top Street Machine overall. Finally, it was your chance to get out there and show what your Commodore can do. The U-Turn Go to Woe event has a simple concept. Drive down to the Witch's Hat, go around it, and stop back on the white line. Some got the hang of it, others didn't, instead opting to use it as burnout practice. Even Stoney got out there in Project Hauler and gave it hell. With the pressure on, a few Commodores set the benchmark, including Phil in his gas wagon, who finished second, and also this awesome candy blue VC Commodore, placing in the top 10. To top it all off, Craig Campbell took his blown VK out for the 3rd weekend in a row and gave it all it had with the blue tyres on the back. Check this out. It was a bright and sunny Sunday in Maruya, but you could be forgiven for thinking otherwise as Commodores engulfed the place and themselves in freshly churned out tyre smoke, putting it all on the line for pride and trophies. The South Coast Nationals may only be a small show, but we've proven that it's definitely packed full of action. And with all these impressive Commodores, how could anyone not love it? If you want more info so that you can make the journey next year, check out the Street Commodores event